it's simply awesome to have both the Panu sisters in the same frame. Thank you, Tapsi, and thank you, Shagun, for joining us at E-Times. It's going to be a lovely conversation. I'm sure
Thank you.
And everyone listening to this is just waiting for you to start.
Waiting for you to Shagun start.
Start? Like say what?
Let me ask you straight away.
मेरे को बहुत सुन चुके हैं लोग, तो इसलिए now they are waiting for Shagun to start.
Okay, so first question to Shagun. Shagun, ये तापसी ने कहा है कि आप उनसे ज्यादा मैच्योर हो.
जी.
Please elaborate.
ये बात एकदम सही है.
Wow.
ये बात एकदम to the point, एकदम सही बात है. क्योंकि ऐसा ही है. मैं 4 साल छोटी जरूर हूँ, but मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं ज्यादा मैच्योर हूँ. But actually now she is giving me competition. मतलब आप पता नहीं, क्योंकि with how she is also growing, I think she is learning to be more patient and all. So
I'm learning from the more maturer one.
Yeah, now she's learning from me and getting more mature, and now I think I need to start working on my skills.
Okay, तो ऐसी कौन सी बातें थी जो immature थी?
तापसी को गुस्सा बहुत जल्दी आता था. तो गुस्सा बहुत जल्दी आता था और वो ज्यादा सोचती नहीं थी बोलने से पहले. बट मुझे लगता है कि अब गुस्सा तो अब इतना नहीं आता है, और अगर आता भी है तो उसको पता है कैसे मैनेज करना है. तो अब वो गुस्सा चला गया है. एंड नाउ शी नोज कि किसके सामने क्या बोलना है. मतलब और अच्छी बात ये है कि अभी भी हमारे साथ तो जो मन में आ रहा है वो बोल रही है. तो वो अभी भी है.
Okay, so that's the difference. We'll come to more differences later. But एक बहुत बड़ी similarity है. दोनों को travel का बहुत शौक है. आप हर एक shoot पर almost बाहर इनके साथ होती हैं और या तो फिर बाद में ज्वाइन कर लेती हैं. ये कहाँ से शुरू होता है शौक? Is it yours or is it Taapsi's?
तो आई थिंक दोनों को ही बहुत शौक है, और ये बात सही है कि हम दोनों को ट्रैवल करने का बड़ा शौक है. बट तापसी की शूट लोकेशंस जनरली ऐसी होती है जहां मेरा जाने का बिल्कुल मन नहीं होता है. तो वो जो शूट लोकेशंस होती है बाहर जाने वाली, वहां मैं नहीं जाती हूँ. हम लोग ट्रैवल अदरवाइज बहुत करते हैं. जब भी इसको कभी छुट्टी मिलती है या कुछ, तो हमें अगर कहीं बाहर जाने का मौका मिलता है तो हम लोग बाहर जाते हैं. बट शूट लोकेशंस पे, ये शूट लोकेशन पे मैं जरूर आना चाहती थी, और मैंने somehow I made time and I said कि मुझे आना ही आना है. और इसका बर्थडे भी था, रक्षाबंधन भी आ रहा है, तो मुझे था कि I want to spend it with her. and ये लोकेशन बहुत सुंदर थी और मैंने बोला कि यहाँ तो मैं आऊंगी.
Okay, Taapsi, I'll get you into the fourth question. One more to go for Shagun. Shagun, सबसे पहले तो I think we should have started with this. People are dying to know that have you started Taapsi's wedding preparations? Are you going to do everything? भले चाहे वो कब भी शादी करे, लेकिन जब फैमिली में कोई वेडिंग प्लानर होता है जैसे आप हैं, तो बहुत पहले ही बोलने लगते हैं मैं ऐसा करूंगी तुम्हारे लिए, मैं वैसा करूंगी तुम्हारे लिए. ये शुरू हो चुका है.
मतलब मेरे दिमाग में बहुत पहले से.
No, I'm not going out of the frame. I was just getting my tangerine.
तो मेरे को तो बहुत पहले से पता है कि मेरे को कैसे करना, क्योंकि मैंने इतना देख लिया है कि मुझे पता है कि ये लोकेशन बहुत बढ़िया है, यहाँ पे शादी करनी चाहिए. तो सब ट्राइड एंड टेस्टेड है.
रेकी होगी हमारी.
तो हमारी रेकी हो चुकी है, तो मुझे पता है कि एग्जैक्टली कहाँ पे शादी करनी चाहिए, क्या करना चाहिए.
डिसाइड करना है कि शादी करनी है कि नहीं, कि कब करनी है. बाकी वो देखना है.
वो डिसाइड नहीं हुआ है, और आई एम श्योर इसके तो वो प्लान्स है भी नहीं दूर दूर तक. पर मेरे दिमाग में मुझे पता है कि कहाँ करनी चाहिए.
ओके, तो शायद आपकी पहले हो जाए.
मेरे माँ बाप भी यही वेट कर रहे हैं कि कोई तो कर लो. मतलब वो बोल रहे हैं ये नहीं कर रही है तुम कर लो. वो भी यही बोल रहे हैं.
Taapsi, who is mom's favorite and who is dad's favorite?
So my dad's favorite तो कोई भी नहीं है मेरे ख्याल से, in the sense के he's always this very strict dad who's been trying to tell us कि ये ठीक करो वो ठीक करो. So dad has been very equal for both of us. He's been trying to correct both of us equally. So we really never understood कोई है भी favorite हम दोनों में से कि हम दोनों के अंदर बस को चीजें ही ठीक करनी होती है. And then the other thing is mom is totally opposite. तो बचपन से लेके काफी टाइम तक Shagun was her like darling child, because I was a little more crazier one, more difficult to handle, more hyperactive. So I used to give her more trouble. So Shagun obviously becomes the dearer one. But as we have grown up, I don't get to meet her or spend time with her as much because I'm barely at home. So, and now like, and she gets really happy and to see all these interviews of mine coming in papers and all. He still saves them. So she's like, so now Shagun is like, क्या वो तुम्हारी ज़्यादा सगी हो गई है. So it's been swinging with mom, but with dad it's been consistent.
Shagun, you've done a course in social media.
जी.
Do you advise Taapsee how to go about it?
Shagun's खुद का social media game is like Shagun के हिसाब से like the best Insta game. So Shagun is only like giving everyone else like मेरा Insta game best है. So,
वो तो that, yeah, I keep telling her, I say, why are you posting this? Like even the hearts she was making Insta story पे, like I think जब you announced Outsiders and Blur का poster आया था and everybody was posting about Blur का poster, तो ये repost कर रही थी stories में and she was making hearts. वो you can draw hearts on Instagram stories and वो इतने टेढ़े मेढ़े heart draw हो रहे थे, वो आधे टूटे. I said, do you know you can undo it and do it again अगर गलत हुआ है. She's saying, हाँ, but ये cute है मेरा heart टेढ़ा सा. So I have tried to help her with her Instagram game, but that's the only thing that also I didn't learn at that course. मतलब वो course में I think I should have gone for more classes because I was bunking a lot of classes. तो कुछ ज़्यादा सीखा नहीं मैंने वहाँ.
Outsider के पहले, थोड़ा पहले एक movie आई थी हसीन दिलरुबा. And Taapsee, this question is for you. And we are still on the social media platform talking about it. You got a little annoyed.
Considering the film is still trending after 1 month also in our country. So I'm sure it's still a hot topic of discussion.
Yeah, quite a few of your films have been a topic of discussion, have become a talking point, and this was another. You got annoyed over a certain review. Does this augur well in hindsight when you look back at it? Should you have taken it personally?
It was written personally, Vicky. I didn't take it personally. So when I see a movie review, first of all, anyone who has so-called movie reviewers and critics should have a decent amount of idea of my filmography, where I started from, the kind of films I did, and the kind of reviews that I got from my work were embarrassing to an extent that anyone would really like think of giving up this profession. They were that bad. And I knew that I'm not good at the job. I'm learning with every film. I've been very honest about the fact that I'm not a trained actor, never imagined to be an actor. I am learning with every film. So I never claimed to be the best actor in the industry. I never did. Never said that I'm the best choice for a film either. But when you give a certain platform, a national platform, to a person to write a movie review, and that person ends up using that platform to make it more like a personal blog than a movie review, because you're gonna write you take personal digs at people. You want to thrash my performance. I have made a career out of thrash performances because I've learned from them and how to better them. So when you thrash my performance, you write, okay, whatever, it didn't work for you, or it didn't make you feel anything. You can write whatever the performance did for you. But you writing that Taapsee is just changing clothes in every film and nothing else is a personal direct dig on an actor, not her performance in the film. So there is a difference. So that's what I wanted to call out. You are entitled to write a movie review, a performance review, but not take a direct personal dig at an actor. So that is where I thought, I need to stand up. People have seen me standing up for social causes. People have seen me standing up for a lot of other kind of issues. I need to stand up for myself also. And there's nothing wrong in it. So that's what I did. And looking hindsight, if I look back at it, I would do it again if it happens to me tomorrow. Because who else will stand up for me if not me? So if people think that I have not taken criticism in my stride, they need to really look back and see the reviews of my films from the first film till now and see the kind of things I have grown beyond. If I had to really take a review in a bad stride, I wouldn't have been here where I am today. because the nastiest things I've heard about myself or been written are beyond this. So that's why this reaction.
Shagun, did you jump in and say, did you call her and say something? यार एक review है, इतना क्यों annoy हो रहे हो? Social media expert.
I Nahi, I think with her at that time when this was happening. I saw that, and this is exactly what she told me, that this is why I'm affected with it. And I was okay with it, because how I see it is कि इसको पता है इसको क्या करना है. She has reached a point in her life and she has reached here on her own, and she knows what she has done in her life to reach. So she has better knowledge of this. So I didn't have anything to say about this. If this was affecting her and this is how she wanted to deal with it, then be it.
Okay. Who likes to dance in the room? Play music and dance in the room between the two of you.
Shagun.
But I started dancing in my life because of her. She forced me to get into dancing and all. तो चालू इसकी वजह से हुआ था.
I used to love dancing, and she's been my guinea pig from childhood. So whenever I really like something, I'll be like, I would want to do it with her or try it on her. So when I started learning dance or enjoying dance, I was like, now I want to choreograph it and you will learn it. And she was like not interested in it at all in the beginning. So I used to force her. After school, I'll come. I was like, okay, now just change, have our lunch. Now I'm going to choreograph and you're going to learn the dance. So I forced her to learn dance, get her nose pierced, get her tattoo made, get her hair cut. All these things, whatever have been like my things to do, like I wanted to do, I've made her do it.
So is Taapsee more obsessed with fashion between the two of you?
No, it's her.
I am also not that obsessed
आपने
with
इतना
fashion.
छाप छोड़ दी अपनी जो के अंदर से गया.
No, see, either of us are not like those fashion conscious people. But you know, when it comes to like getting ready and getting dressed up, I think she likes to do it more than I do.
Yeah, and now, I mean, for the longest time in my life, I think I was making no efforts. Then I just one day I said, I feel like doing it, so I'm doing it. So now I think, yeah, me, not her.
Tell me, जब आप टीनेजहुड में थे, कॉलेज में थे, ऐसे कितने सीक्रेट्स थे जो आपको सिर्फ आप दोनों ने एक दूसरे के साथ शेयर किए? Say you were going out for a date, you told only Shagun. Or Shagun was going out for a date and she told only you. Or maybe you got less marks in any subject and only Shagun knew, your parents didn't know until the report card eventually came.
I think the only thing which we were hiding from our parents was that we had a phone when we were in 10th standard. Matlab, at least I had it when I was not supposed to have one. And मेरे पास phone था. Or because Taapsee and I were sharing rooms and Taapsee knew about it that I have. So that's the secret that she was keeping for me. कि मेरे पास
I don't
phone
even
है.
remember this.
And so that's I think the only thing. Dates and all, not that much.
See, dates and all, the thing is we don't count. With us, it was never like a deal कि तू ये मत बताना, मैं ये नहीं बताऊंगी. It was an unsaid decision that whatever is discussed between us always stays between us. It was not like ये बताना पड़े, अच्छा ये मम्मी को मत बताइयो, ये पापा को मत बताइयो. It was an unsaid fact. So we don't really have a count of कि क्या क्या चीजें हमने नहीं बताई हैं और क्या चीजें बताई हैं. Because it was supposed to be always between both of us only.
Taapsee, who was better at studies?
Me.
Shagun is already looking outside to the left.
Yeah, these questions are very easy for us to answer.
Yeah.
Okay. Who got more male attention in college?
Shagun was in the girls' college.
I was in a girls' college.
Okay, during the growing up years.
And I was in an engineering college.
So Taapsee got a lot of attention.
male
Actually.
attention.
Yeah.
क्योंकि रेशियो इतना हिला हुआ होता है गर्ल इज टू बॉय का, तो आई गॉट मच मोर बॉय अटेंशन इन कॉलेज.
Two sisters always, end up wearing each other's clothes. कई बार बिना बताए फिर ये शुरू हो जाता है, ये तुम कहाँ ले गए, ये क्यों ले गए, ये ऐसा सब हुआ है? Or we all actually readily share each other's clothes?
Yeah, we share clothes, shoes, accessories, everything.
Our wardrobe is same,
Yeah.
बट प्रॉब्लम बस इतनी है कि दिस इज ऑल्सो एन अनसेड रूल कि कुछ भी जो नया आता है वो पहले वो पहन लेगी, पहले वो पहनेगी और उसके बाद ही मैं वो पहन सकती हूँ. तो या
So unfair, so unfair.
Because the problem is, see, I'll tell you what, Shagun doesn't like to shop. Okay. Because she's been so used to just getting a set wardrobe, because I like to shop. So I like to shop and buy new things, and I get it for the wardrobe. And मैं फिर काम पे चली जाती हूँ, and after weeks when I come back I see कि मतलब वो धुलने में चले गए हैं, नए कपड़े ऑलरेडी पहने जा चुके हैं, and I'm like, ये मैंने नया मेरे को पहनना था, तो why didn't I get? So those times I tell her that if I am buying something, I want to wear it first. When she buys something which is very very rare, so she ends up wearing it first. So
और अब हमारा स्टाइल अलग हो रहा है.
now the new thing Shagun has gotten in is, when last shopping that has happened, Shagun has gone and picked up her 4 really random things, and she's like, this is my style, I'll wear it.
And she's looking at those clothes and she's like, yeah, please wear it, क्योंकि मैं कभी पहनूंगी भी नहीं. So now our style is changing, so maybe now we'll have different wardrobes.
Taapsee, didn't you ever tell her to be films में join हो जा? It's a very common thing happening in families. I mean,
It's not a family business, unfortunately. नहीं. I've never told her in terms of profession and career कि ये कर या वो नहीं कर, क्योंकि एक तो इतना मुझे सुनने को मिल गया था. I never wanted her to go through the pressures, at least try my best to not to go through the pressures that I have gone through, of expectations of doing ये सही है, ये करना चाहिए, ये नहीं करना चाहिए. Everyone is there to always pressurize you, family pressure, peer pressure, that all that. I never wanted that to go to her. तो मेरी side से तो I have never told her what to do and what not to do. I've always asked her, तेरे को क्या करना है, तू बता. There was a time that she was like, after doing her graduation, she did she did work for a couple of years, and she was just so exhausted after that. She didn't want to do anything for a year. So I said, mat kar. So she just like didn't do anything for a year, and then did her diploma.
Yeah, that's social communications that I did.
Yeah. So after that, taking a 1 year gap, then she could do it. Because I was like, I didn't have the liberty to do that. So I was like, तुझको जो करना है तू कर, तेरे को कुछ नहीं करना है मत कर. But I'm never going to tell her ever what to do or what not to do.
Shagun, you've seen almost every movie, I'm sure, of Taapsee, or maybe some scenes also where you're with her right now when she's shooting for Blur in person. कभी रूम में बैठकर आप इनको मिमिक करते हो? मम्मी डैडी के सामने, फ्रेंड्स के सामने?
मिमिक करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती विकी. We both sound similar. We both behave very similar in terms of reactions a lot of times, because our parents still have a little bit of trouble understanding कि कौन है फोन पे जब बात करते हैं हमसे. So they actually have a little bit of doubt sometimes कि कौन बात कर रहा है फोन पे. We sound so similar. So I don't think she needs to mimic.
हाँ, mimicking and all की कभी
But
जरूरत
कोई
पड़ी
भी
नहीं
सीन
होगी.
ऐसे आपने मिमिक करके बताया हो यार फ्रेंड्स को?
Yeah, I mean, she'll narrate my instances that ये set पे उसने ऐसे किया, या उसने कहीं वहाँ उस gathering में ऐसे किया. So she'll narrate those instances to people, but not like
the movies, not the movies, but of course जो भी movies के बाहर हो रहा है,
the BTS content.
Yeah, वो जरूर किया.
Shagun, one film of Taapsee which you haven't liked?
Dil Jangli, I think that is one movie that I think wasn't that great.
And the one which you like the most?
It's generally always the last one that I have seen. So Haseen Dilruba, but also Thappad. Thappad has stayed with me for the longest time, and also for the fact when I saw that movie, I felt it is so different from how Taapsee is, and that character was so adorable. So I think Thappad.
Shagun, Taapsee का favorite scene बताइए, जो आपका most favorite scene है. Is that also from Thappad or is that from some other movie?
Yeah, I think it's the finale, the last Pooja wala scene of Thappad, where she's talking to her mother-in-law. I think that one. And I remember I was sitting and watching that in a screening, and I was crying, and I started crying. And the worst thing about these scenes is कि right इनके बाद एकदम lights on हो जाते हैं, and then everybody's just looking at each other, and I'm crying, and I was crying so hard in that scene. I think that scene was the best with the mother-in-law, where she's talking to her and actually telling her, exactly what she must have felt in the full movie, but actually like just saying it out loud in the end.
शगुन ने तो बता दिया तापसी की आपको गुस्सा आता था पहले, आजकल थोड़ा कम हो गया है. But tell me one or two things of Shagun which you want her to change.
See, there's one thing that is not one actually. There are so many things that are common between both of us because of the fact that we साथ में ही पैदा बड़े हुए हैं, right? तो वो कई चीजें तो common हो ही जाती हैं. Another thing which I have tried to like better it because of the profession I am in is my instant reaction towards things that I don't like. मैंने वो थोड़ा सा उसको subtle कर लिया है. शगुन से नहीं होता है वो. So her instant reactions towards people and things that she doesn't like are not very subtle. So it instantly like shows up on her face or body language. तो वो फिर बाकी उस मोमेंट पे हो जाता है कि ओ शिट, मतलब अभी कैसे सेव करे सिचुएशन, क्योंकि शगुन has just reacted to making sure that everybody knows that she didn't like it. So वो उसको थोड़ा सेटल करने के लिए फिर रास्ते को कवर अप करना पड़ता है कि नहीं, it's okay, when she was thinking something else, there was like something, and topic change करना पड़ता है या फिर कुछ. So वो चीज है जो I think इसके अंदर ज्यादा एक्सप्रेसिव है compared to me right now.
झगड़े वगड़े होते हैं? वो आपका फेमस झगड़ा तो बहुत ही फेमस है जो आपने इनको ग्लास डोर से बैंग
कर मार दिया था इसका. हाँ,
आई थिंक उसके बाद बहुत ज्यादा बॉन्डिंग भी हो गई.
उसके बाद एटलीस्ट फिजिकली मुक्का मारी नहीं करते हम लोग. वो नहीं हो रहा है. But
no, verbally we fight. We have arguments. Obviously, मतलब type of arguments have changed over years. पहले तो मतलब एकदम चिल्लम चिल्ली हो जाती थी. But अब it's not like that. It's just like try to ignore each other kind of argument. Argument भी मतलब वो क्या, just like to avoid each other when you're not agreeing with the other person. वो होता है. But very very temporary, like very short lived, because we know अब हम ही हैं एक दूसरे. We know at the end of the day we have to both come back home to each other, not just home, the same room, the same bed. So you have to come back to that. So yeah, so I especially can't hold things grudges long from her at all.
So ऐसा नहीं है कि ईगो है, कोई सॉरी बोले फिर हम बात शुरू करेंगे, एक दो दिन बात रुक गई.
हमें पता है ईगो दोनों का इतना बड़ा है, कोई सॉरी नहीं बोलेगा, देन वी आर लाइक छोड़ो, सॉरी की कोई उम्मीद ही नहीं रखता है. We just get over it.
Yeah, it's just as if you just like get over it, like आगे बढ़ो type.
Okay. Shagun, one actor you want to see starring with Taapsee?
I really like Taapsee and Vicky together. I would love to see them soon, मतलब वो in Manmarzi I felt their chemistry was really good. I would love to see them do a movie again together.
Taapsee, you agree with her?
Yeah, there are a lot of people who told me that, and she mentioned that after Manmarzi also, that she really liked the chemistry between both of us. And there are a lot of people who come and tell us if they, that अगर love story है, it is ideal. अगर मेरे पास आती है तो कई बारी they always have a wish list of having Vicky in it. I really hope. I mean, he's a good friend as well. So he's someone, again, it's not just that he's a good actor. That's why I want to work with him again, but also because I share a very very comfortable equation with him off screen. So मुझे पता है कि I will be the most confident and relaxed on set when I'm doing a film with him again. So that's why also I'm looking forward to working with him again.
Tell me where both of you were wrong in your opinion कि ये एक पिक्चर तापसी की चलेगी. शुरू में एक गट फीलिंग होती है कि ज्यादा अप्रिशिएट होगी, लेकिन वो कम अप्रिशिएट हुई. Somewhere where both of you went wrong.
That was Manmarzi.
When I saw Manmarzi, I came out in the interval and I just knew that this is amazing. I was so sure that, and I connected with it so much. I loved the movie, but they say that maybe it's a cult movie. How they make cult. अभी नहीं realize हो रहा है लोगों को कितनी अच्छी movie है, शायद और 10 साल बाद पता चलेगा. But because I really connected with that movie, not because she was in it. I loved the movie. The songs were amazing. Everything about it, I loved it. But of course, it didn't, do that well how they all expected. So yeah, that one actually. Maybe we went wrong there, but I don't think. I mean, everybody is very happy that they did it because it's a fab movie.
Yeah.
Obviously,
I'll
your
tell
par-
chance again. I'll pick that film again.
Yeah.
obviously your parents are watching this interview, and let's conclude with both of you reminding them of one incident where you fooled them on the phone. Like Tapsi said, कि they are still not able to fathom very clearly कि कौन बोल रहा है at the other end. Tell us.
ये हम करते रहते हैं बीच में just for the fun of it.
Yeah.
ये हम
So
करते रहते
not like stretch it for the entire conversation.
Hmm.
But whenever we talk on phone, I'm like, बताओ कौन बोल रहा है, बताओ. so yeah, so we do that play with them, but not for very long. Like because you have to come to what like तभी आधे से ज़्यादा time my mom prefers video call because she's like मुझे शक्ल देखने से पहले कि कौन बात कर रहा है. So yeah.
There must have been instances where mom and dad have called. You all have been out late at nights, and they've got worried.
It has probably been they called because Shagun was out, I was sleeping. So
Yeah.
they were not able to get through either of us.
Yeah, that has happened, but it's. I mean, that at that times, I don't think Tapsi and I also know where the other person is. So you know,
Yeah.
like we are both are also that clueless. So it's not like we can save each other.
So we have to give a very ambiguous answer. कि मतलब कुछ decisive सा नहीं, हाँ वो bathroom में होगी, अभी करेगी call back. Something which is very ambiguous, not like कि खुद को नहीं पता है हमारे को कि दूसरा इंसान कहाँ है. So yeah, saving each other like that has happened.
Thank you so much, both of you. A big congratulations
Thank
to
you.
Tapsi for starting your production house,
Thank you so much.
and wish you all the best for all your future assignments.
Thank you.
Wish you all the best, Shagun.
Thank you so
Whatever you
much.
do in life ahead, and whatever you are doing currently. Thank you so much, both of you, for joining us.
Thank you.
Thanks, Vicky.